Alright, so welcome back. It's nice to have you back. Now, so far, you've stuck with me and we have done this beautiful page that everybody will really want to look at because it has this big title here that attracts the attention, grabs the attention at the instant. Let's take a quick grab and the copy is right on point. So the little bottle, the block of text here is also cool. It's simple and we've properly managed it. All right, and it's going to help our reader be able to read properly. So one thing I just noticed is that you just have to continue to tweak your design to make it the best it can be, as appealing to the eyes. So once I just want to make a couple of changes. I'm just going to move this a little bit up, not so much up. All right, then, and there's something here, and this is a bad one, not very bad though. So there's something called an orphan, and an orphan happens when you have a block of text like this and you have a little text here and it's just a single one. You should have at least 2 or 3. So there are 2 things you can do to fix this. You can either expand this a little so that you can have that come up like this, and the orphan is gone. We don't have the orphan anymore. Or if you can also try to reduce it a little and see which one works best. This one is not actually working best. All right, so I think expanding it is the way to go. So expand a little, and I think right about there is perfect. Yeah, good. So I'm cool with this. Let's get on to the next page. So to the next page, this is how it's going to be. I'm going to have my image fill the whole page. I'm going to have my text here, my my title text, my body text, then I'm just going to repeat my footer detail here on the same page. I'm just going to change a few things here, especially here. So let's go on with that. This is going to be very easy because we've spent a lot of time here trying to get things right. Everything will be very easy from now on. So what I want to do right now is to come right here, bring my image up here, place it at the very center, come here, make sure it is aligned to the center, aligned to artboard, or you can also come here to Windows and click on align. It's going to bring it up for you, or you can come here to align here, and it's going to show you the same thing. The align here, going to show you the same thing. Align horizontal. You can change it to whether you want to align it to artboard, align it to a selection, but all the same, everything is good. This little bar here provides you with things that you are going to need hands-on. All right, so I just want to align it to the very center by aligning horizontally center, then aligning vertically center. All right, I'm just going to put it at the very middle. So what I'm going to do is hold it here. Don't forget to hold your shift key to maintain proportion and alt key to stretch it out in all directions. So that is how to go. If I take my hands off the alt key, this is what I'm going to do. It's just going to be going in one direction, and if I take my hand off the shift key, it's going to be distorting. All right, so I don't want that. I'm going to hold my alt key, hold my shift key, and it's going to stretch it in all directions. So I'm going to continue stretching until it fills the whole page. Don't mind me, some parts is already off. Okay, so we're going to fix that the same way we fix this. So what I'm going to do, let me just fix that right away. Let me take this a little bit off here. So I'm going to pick my rectangle tool. I'm going to find the part where this is. I'm just going to create a shape that fills the whole screen. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. And just as we did for here, click on the shape, click on the image, right click and make clipping mask. Boom, there we go. Very easy, very simple. And the reason I'm actually loving this image is because it has created a little piece of space for us here to put our text. So first thing I want to do is to duplicate my footer details. So I'm just going to click on this, and there's also something to pay attention to here. Click on this right here, click on this, right click and group together. they are grouped together, they go together anywhere they go now. All right, so one thing you need to do is there's something called paste in place. You know, when I press on this, I press Control Copy and I click out, I press Control Paste, just going to duplicate it somewhere else. But if I want it to paste it exactly at the position where I copied it from to another hardboard, you know, that's going to be really will come handy when you are working on publications where you want to repeat the same thing at the same position on each artboard. All right, Illustrator has made it so easy for you. So what you just need to do is to click on it, make sure the artboard where you're copying it from is selected. It means literally just clicking on the image while it is on the artboard. Click on it and come to edit. All right, copy, come to copy, then select the new artboard, make sure it is selected, and come to edit and then paste in place. All right, paste in place. There's also another option here. If you have hundreds of artboards and instead of you pasting on each one, it's going to paste in place on all artboards. It means if I want to do page numbers, it's going to paste the same thing on from one page on all artboards. All right, so but we're not doing that here. We just need it for this page, so I'm just going to paste in place. Just watch what's going to happen around here when I click paste in place. Boom, there you go. As simple as that. Things get so easy around here with Illustrator. It gets so easy. It gets so easy. It can be. I'm not sure things has been this easy in a long time. So let me just tweak my image a little. Let me move this a little bit up, right? Okay, things is taking shape here. So even though my image is taking some, okay, let me see. I actually want to have it like this. All right, so let me see if I can duplicate this background here. I just want to copy, all right, and here paste in place. Control Shift V is going to paste this in place. So let me send it to the back and see if there's anything that changes. Well, it doesn't look so good, so let me just back out. You know, that's what designers do. You try things out and see if anything changes. If the changes is for the better, if it's not for the better, you just revert back to what you have. So I think this is also something I can work with. All right, so since I already created the template here, instead of me having to start all over, I can just duplicate this and this. I'm going to copy, edit, copy. I'm going to come here, right click, paste in place. Okay, paste in place is not here. Oh, let me just come here to edit, then paste in place. All right, good. It's already pasting in place. So I just need to replace this with the actual content that is supposed to be on the page. So I'm just going to go to tab. I'm going to go to my document. I'm going to go to the title, which is what makes a magic. Then I'm going to copy that and a fun trick for you to copy things, multiple things at the same time, instead of you having to waste time to go and copy and come back, copy, paste, just copy everything you need to copy. Then, you know, I've already copied this, and I'll just go ahead and copy this as well, because I'm going to need this also. I've copied two things, and instead of me having to come back to Microsoft Word, I'll just copy everything I needed from Microsoft Word, and I'll just go back to my design app straight up. So how do I select what to paste? And that is easy. So just select your text tool. All right, T is a shortcut, or you can come here and click. So click on here and make sure the text is blinking. Select all. Instead of pressing Ctrl V, you just press, if you're on Windows, press Windows V. Windows V is going to show you the clipboard. So if you are using a Mac, I'm not really sure about Mac, so you can just check out how to copy something from your clipboard. So this is my clipboard here. So what I want to paste here, this is the last thing I copied, this is second to the last thing I copied. So for now I want to paste the magic, what's the magic, the title. So I'm just, instead of it here, I'm just going to click on this, and as you can see, it's right here, what makes a magic. So I'm just going to break it down here. All right, I'm going to make this, hey, all right, what makes a magic, what makes a magic. So I'm going to make this a little smaller, because this is the revenue, this is the recipe page. So I'm going to come here to reduce the leading, just to get things a little bit cozy, intimated. Then I'm going to select the body text, select all, don't forget Windows V, then paste this. All right, this is looking so good. So I want to do a little bit of design here, just a little bit of layering, layouts, designing. So I'm just going to press Ctrl plus just to zoom things in a little. I want to get rid of this natural numbering, but if I do that, I want to add my own artificial, or let me say design numbering. So what I'm going to do is just to click on ellipse tool here. I'm going to create my own bullet. All right, very small circle. I use my circle to create. Click on circle. All right, click on circle. Okay, let me exit first. All right, everything, nothing selected, unselected. Come to ellipse tool, click. All right, click on alt, hold shift, just the same way as when we are trying to make the image bigger, then drag out. It means it's going to keep the aspect ratio locked. It's going to expand it from the center on all sides, so you can keep it as small as you want it to be. All right, so you can use your eyedropper tool to give it its color. Boom. All right, so that's good. Okay, so I'm going to bring this here, try to position it as precise as possible. There's a way to go around it. So I'm just going to drag this here. All right, for number 2, drag this here. Don't forget what I'm doing. I'm just using alt key to duplicate. I've shown you that before. Should just use the alt key to duplicate and position it the way you want. Good. All right, so that's done. I want to get rid, since I've done my own bullets numbering, so let me delete this what's it called, the natural one. Oh, it's kind of messing with my bullet positioning. Notwithstanding, I'm going to deal with it the way I know best. All right, so let me keep this a little bit smaller if things are going to fall back in place. Yeah, things fell back in place. Good. I won't mind about I'm not sure I'll really bother myself too much about orphans here, but let me try if I can get rid of things without having an orphan. Well, things are not working out. So one thing I can do to also get rid of orphan is to actually send things down myself. So the way to do that is to hold shift and enter, and it's going to keep things back. It's going to send them down. So since this is the list, I'm not sure I really want to enforce the justification, so I'm just going to use align left without justification. All right, so I think that works. All right, so let's keep it that way. Yeah, this is looking good already, and that is literally it. So let me just try and make this a little bit bigger, and let me increase the leading a little. All right, yeah, it's looking smooth and nice. I don't think there's any other thing I need to do here. Don't forget, it's your design, you own it, you can make tweaks to it the way you want. So if you want to preview it in a very beautiful way, you want to see how it is, you can come to view here, presentation mode, and it's going to show it one design at a time. Oh my god, see beauty, very beautiful. You can just use the arrow to switch from one artboard to another. All right, this is meant for the cover page. This is the template I'm using. Oh, come on, see beauty. This is so beautiful. To exit the presentation mode, just use escape. And this is, thus far we have made it. It's so beautiful. All right, looking so good, looking so good. All right, so let me also give you a break here, and by the time we're coming back, we're going to be going for the fun part, which is the front cover, where we're going to be doing a lot of moving things around. All right, so until then, I'll catch you.